Wala, yung pangalabaw ni girl.
I didn't forget you, of course.
Guys, good afternoon. Ayan. Walk the runway, walk the runway. Say hi, baby. Hi. So we're say hi, Jeffrey.
Hi, Mom.
So we're picking up someone special.
Yes, we are.
We don't know why she's home, but
She has drama.
we'll find out why is she home. So malalaman natin sa takdang panahon kung bakit siya umuwi. But pick up namin siya dyan sa may daanan. We were usually, pick up sana namin siya last night from the airport, pero na-delay yung kanyang flight. So hindi niya naabutan yung kanyang flight papunta dito. So ayun, nag-bus na lang siya from Manila to here. So ayun, pick up na namin siya. But anyways, let's go guys! Bye-bye! Ayan, we're on the way! So this is going to Darat, Pinili, Ilocos Norte. So you'll be seeing where I went to school as well, which is Pinili National High School. So malapit na lang tayo guys. Ayan. Ayun. So this is my school before. Yan, Pinili National High School. See, these are all the kids now. No, they just got out, I think.
It's 12:09.
Yeah, 12. The lunchtime is 12 to 1.
Daddy!
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 Yes! Okay, hello. Oh, say hi guys!
Where she gets out here?
Right there. Right here.
All
It's
right.
fine.
Where that bus is?
No. Hello guys, again we are here.
And hi! And it's me.
And it's you. What's your name?
My name is
Maria Esther. Who are we waiting?
for my dad.
We're waiting for Tita Mama Shanette. Yeah.
Yeah.
She's in Banff now again.
Pwede. The vlogger is yarn. Ay, nada. Pwede Hi! Nakaset up pa yung EJ ko. Ang EJ yung may pagbabaan na. At EJ downloading. Pwede na mo ito ba? Wala ka mo lang nagpapujidagupa, no? Ha? Pasanungan tayo ipupunta pa na ito. Kuya, amaampo. Hi guys, adapin ni OG kini Maria. Oh my god, Jay nga ana. Napa ka nakibitingon? Anong pitutan ano? Oh shit.
Ah!
Ika mo mag. Oh, nakakana kanya na? Yeah. Maria no.
Wala, yung pangalabaw ni girl.
I didn't forget you, of course.
Ito sila na kaya na? Hi, kamusta na? Hi, Ashley.
Say hi!
You're here! Hi!
Hi!
Hi! Ano po daw ka?
Oh my god!
Ano po daw ka siya?
Only for today. Oh, say.
What do you say?
I know. I know you're excited.
For what?
Yes, I'm excited.
Excited for what?
To go in our house. If you see the inside, it's gonna be so more prettier. Wow! Oh my goodness, I'm so excited.
Oh my god, girl!